Alright guys, EasyMods.tk here. This is the second part tutorial for making our own web browser. In our previous tutorial, we just got done renaming our buttons and putting in our images and whatnot. It's now the linking stage, and you have to make sure you do this correct, or obviously none of your buttons are going to link where you'd like them to. So to get started, when we go to link something, and I'm going to link the exit button first, you just double click it. And it's going to bring you to a different page that looks like this. Now, it's going to automatically put your cursor in between these. It should be like right under private and end sub. And what we're going to put here, the code for the exit button is just simply end. It's just end. That's all it is for right now. Alright, so up here, click on your design tab and double click the back button. So down here, we're going to put web browser, and it's going to be web browser 1. You'll see it right here. You can just double click this so you don't have to type it out. Put a period. Then we're going to put go back. And you can see it's also, this little list will help you a lot. And then after that, you're going to put 2 parentheses just by themselves. Now we're going to go back to the design. Forward, put web browser, want that. Make sure there's no unnecessary spaces like that. Period, and then you're gonna put go forward, and then your parentheses. And if this is underlined blue, it shouldn't be a problem. Alright, now the text box, it doesn't have to be coded. Your go button, this one's pretty important. You want to type web browser 1. And the reason we're typing web browser 1 is because this whole screen right here is the first web browser. So if we would have made 2 of these, there would be a web browser 1 and 2. So that's why we're doing web browser 1. We're going to put a period. You're going to put navigate. And then parenthesis, and then you want to put text box 1 period text, and then another parenthesis. Okay, go back to design and our refresh. That's just going to be web browser 1 period refresh. Alright, I think we've linked everything so far. And if you want to make, when somebody clicks on your browser, if you want to make it go to a certain link at the start, you're just going to click on the web browser area, and you scroll down, and where you see URL, and you have to type this in the HTTP form. I'm just going to make mine go to Google for now. So now, we're going to test our web browser. There we have it. Now I'm going to maximize this. So, let's make sure this works. Click go. And there you go. You see that that's working. And let's try the back button. And forward, and refresh, yep, and exit. Alright, so now you can see that those are all working properly. So now, if you want to make, like on my web browsers, I like to make something over here like Easy Mods. And then right here I'd put like home page, so they could easily access my home page from this tab. Oh, sorry guys. So they get easy access from this tab. So what I want to do now, timing, if we're going to double click home page, you're going to type web browser 1 period navigate, and inside the parentheses you're going to put a single or no, sorry, you're going to put double quote, and then you don't have to put HTTP, you can just put www dot, and we're going to make this go to easymods.tk, and then put your quotes and parentheses. Alright, so now that we've done that, let's see if that worked. Hit the play button. And so now you can see we've made a file tab and an EasyMods tab. When I click this, and there you have it. It goes to our page. And by the way, for our EasyMods site, I recommend using this with Mozilla. For some reason Internet Explorer doesn't like to work with a lot of programming. Internet Explorer is not really a recommended site for any browser, rather. So I would really recommend, if you guys are checking out our site, try checking it out on Mozilla for the best experience, I guess I could say. Anyway, and if you want to make a link, another link, like a link label, so say I want to put a link right here. You go down to the text, change the text, Easy Mods site. Now we're going to double click that, and we're going to just do the exact same thing. I'm actually going to copy this because it's the exact same code. So let's play this. You can see that's what a link label will do for you. Alright. So that's just about it for making your own web browser. I thank you guys for watching our tutorials, checking out our site.